this handle's probably definitely time for replacement. Pretty scratched up, but I wanted to show you both how to take it apart and how to repair it if you wanted to repair it, or if you wanted to replace just like the handle portion. You can actually just replace this portion. This particular kind has a little button right here that you push in. I'll give you a little view of that. There's the button right there. Just use your screwdriver, push that button in, and you can pull the handle right off. So I'll show you that here. I'll pull the handle off. So push it in, pull the handle right out. So that releases the handle. Then you've got the cover piece for the trim here. You can see how loose it is. I'm just going to show you how to tighten that up. You just kind of insert your screwdriver there and turn it. And then right here we've just got a couple Phillips screws. If we want to take it out, we would just loosen those up and then rotate the trim piece out. Now we can take the other side of the handle off. And the whole thing comes apart right there. For inserting it, we would, here's a groove. A groove right there that this slides into. I'll try to show you that from this side so you can see it better. The little groove that it slides into, just like so, and then you've got your two set screws. And this bottom set screw needs to be loosened a little bit so we can get the trim piece on. Here's the trim piece. It just gets turned in right here, goes over the screws, and then turn it to the smaller portion. There we go. Now we can tighten the screws down. Like so. And this has a little hole for the lock here, and you just push it on like so. See, now we're nice and tight there, and our door is locked. So now we just take the handle here. What we're going to do is push the release tab in. What we'll do now is push the release tab in and push the handle on. Slide it right over so it latches into place. And we're good together. Locked. And unlocked. Locking it locks our handle. Turning it will unlock it. We're good to go. Anyway, that's how to repair these particular kinds of door handles. Again, I'll need to replace this portion, but I thought I'd just show you how it works. Anyway, that's how to tighten up this particular type of handle. That's how it works. So we're good to go. You need to replace this portion, but I figured I'd show you anyway. Good to go.